How do I activate my Vodacom SIM card?
Welcome to this video guide. Today, we're going to learn how to activate your Vodacom SIM card. This step-by-step guide will take you through the process in detail to make sure you can connect your SIM card without any hassle.
What do you need?
Before we start, make sure you have the following: your Vodacom SIM card, a mobile device that is compatible with the SIM, personal information for the registration process, including your name and identification details.
Insert the SIM card into your device.
First, you need to insert your new Vodacom SIM card into your mobile device. Make sure the device is turned off before you insert the SIM card. Once the SIM card is properly inserted, you can turn your device on.
Register your SIM card.
In most cases, you will be asked to register your SIM card. This process may vary depending on your location and the regulations there. Usually, you will need to provide your personal information for this registration.
Dial the activation code.
After you've registered your SIM card, the next step is to dial the activation code. For Vodacom, you should dial 100 and follow the prompts on the voice menu.
Wait for the activation process.
Once you've completed the call, your SIM card should begin the activation process. This process might take some time, usually up to 24 hours. During this time, you should keep your device turned on and periodically check for signal. And that's it. You've learned how to activate your Vodacom SIM card. We hope this guide was helpful and wish you a seamless connection with your new SIM card. If you have any questions or issues during your activation process, don't hesitate to contact Vodacom's customer service. Happy connecting!